Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. This is a room tour on the MSC Seascape room 9259, the Aurea Experience and Toast. All right folks, we are on the MSC Seascape 9259 is the room number, the Aurea Experience. Let's go in and check it out. Look at the restroom here. Nice. It's got a nice shower, a line to hang your wet swimsuits on. Check out the closet space here. Shelves. A lot of shelves. I like that. Plenty of room for your clothes and your shoes. Plenty of hangers. You even have space up top above the hangers. And for you cruisers, you know that you can also put things under the bed as well. And since this is the Aurea Experience, we have the bottle of champagne. Look at that. That's going to be really nice. This is a really big room. I like that. And check out this balcony. So it's not the traditional balcony. This balcony extends. You can get, we have 2 loungers and 2 regular chairs. Wow. This is nice. Very nice balcony. Very nice. The room tour for the MSC Seascape, Aurea, Stateroom, and balcony. But wait, there's more. The toast. Let me give you a key.
Are you filming?
Yes.
Nothing wrong with wanting the room to smell good.
So it's a diffuser.
It's a re-diffuser.
A rediffuser. It smells good already. I can smell it.
How do you smell it already?
I smell something, or is that the room smell good?
I don't know.
Well, if that's the room that smells good, then MSC is a winner.
I don't know how to get this out though. Oh, I just.
Here, you want a key? Well, I had a key.
I need something. Fort Knox. Here we come. I don't know what it smells like. I don't know what it smells like. Smell that.
Let me smell that.
Oops. Smell it. Let me show.
I like that.
Do you smell it?
Barely. But it's hard though because the room smells good.
That's true.
So it's hard.
So.
And so what happens is it soaks the liquid through up to the straws.
Yep. And it permeates
Impugnates.
Permeates.
It permeates, that's what it is. Permeates. We're permeating in here.
Yes, we're permeating.
The Aurea Permeation Experience.
Okay. I'm gonna drink my drink.
All right, drink your drink. Here, let's toast the drink. Let me turn this around.
What are you doing?
Switching it so we can.
Oh, are you filming?
I am.
Cheers.
Cheers.
To MSC Seascape.
And 2026.
First cruise of the year.
First cruise of the year. Probably won't be the last.
Should be blessed.
Hey folks, thanks for coming to the channel and traveling with the Chief. Please let us know what you thought of the video down in the comment section below. This is an off the cliff video.